Welcome to Wolfnest, your trusted property management in Salt Lake City, Utah. As we embrace the winter months, responsible landlords understand the importance of winter property maintenance to ensure the well-being of their rental properties. Cleaning gutters. The first crucial task in winter property management is cleaning the gutters. Leaves that accumulate during autumn can lead to blockages, causing ice dams and potential water damage. Clearing gutters of debris ensures proper drainage, safeguarding your property's foundation and walls. Pruning trees. Take the time to prune trees before winter arrives. Removing dead or weak branches not only enhances the safety of your property, but also adds to its aesthetic appeal. A well-maintained landscape contributes to the overall value of your real estate investment. Winterizing roof. Your property's roof is its primary defense against the elements. Winterize your roof by inspecting for missing or damaged shingles. Look for signs of water damage in the attic and ensure vents and chimneys are clear. Hiring professionals for inspection and repairs guarantees a sturdy roof throughout the winter. Snow removal. In Salt Lake City, heavy snowfall is common. Efficient snow removal is crucial for maintaining accessibility and safety. Invest in quality snow removal equipment, and if needed, hire professionals to clear walkways, driveways, and parking lots. Prompt snow removal not only prevents accidents but also shows your commitment to tenant safety. Ongoing roof care. Alongside winterizing the roof, ongoing roof care is essential. Regularly inspect for snow accumulation and be vigilant about ice dams, which can cause water backup. Addressing these issues preserves the integrity of your property's roof throughout winter. Proactive winter property maintenance is key to ensuring your rental property's well-being and your tenants' safety. By addressing these tasks, you not only keep your tenants cozy, but also protect your investment, boosting your Salt Lake City property's long-term value. Now, having a property management company on your side can make winter maintenance a breeze. Contact Wolfnest to learn how our property management solutions can support you. Since 2012, we've been helping investors navigate the unique challenges of Salt Lake City's property market. Trust Wolfnest to be your ally in the ever-evolving landscape of property management.